Hey guys, what's up? It is Lorelai today, and I was really lazy to do the intro, so didn't do it. So today I am gonna do a slime review of mixing something, mixing something into slime. So this is the slime before. It's kinetic slime. It's like really excited. It's like really exciting. It's kinetic slime. It's really funny, as you can see. And today we are gonna put some MAC makeup in it. This is a eyeshadow, so we're gonna use an eyeshadow to put this on. Put this, and we're gonna use this eyeshadow and put this in there. Oh my God, this is gonna not open. Oh my God, I cannot open it all. How do you open this thing? I found it yesterday. So, first let's get it on my finger. I got a lot. Oh my God, I need to put the whole thing in there. I want to put the whole thing in there. I don't think so, but let's just try it out. I wish this was liquid. It's like more easier. If my parents come in here, I'll be really in trouble. Because I'm not supposed to use this. I really want to do it. I hope they don't find it in my room. Let me get a pen and like scrape it off. There you go, perfect. Got it. I got all that I need. This is the thing. Let me just poke it and mix it in. I swear if my mom asks for a missing eyeshadow, I'm not telling her where it is. Oh my God, it's kind of pretty. I hope this works because like I'm very bad at mixing. And especially putting some eyeshadow in here. Because whenever I mix, make a mess. So yeah. I also have a confession to do. So, yeah. It's about me and Neven, so. If you have subscribed to my channel, go subscribe to it. I'll put it down below. I don't know how to work these little things, the little white things are here. I don't know how to work them. It's really hard. Let me put some more of this. Sorry, Mom, I need more of this. I'm sorry. It's for a video. I'll just tell her it's for a video. And she'll just say like, okay, it's fine. But this time it might be. She might be mad. Because I'm using her makeup. The ground just shook. I swear, if my mom comes in here, I'm dead. Well, not really. She can't see the eyeshadow. I just hit something there. It's not really called hiding, but it's okay. I'm very cringy with YouTube. I do not know how to make YouTube videos. I don't think this even changed. This didn't even change. This didn't even change. I don't see the changing. See, I don't even know how to change. What the heck changed? I don't see no glitter in it. I wish I had glitter. But I don't. Where the heck is like the glitter stuff in there? Where the heck is it? I wonder if I could like. No, I have it. I was wondering if I can like. Just pink. I wonder if I can do this. Oh, I can. Marker to color it. It's not even working at all. You gotta use like all of the ink to make it match. So yeah, I don't know what changed. What changed in this thing? The color, the brightness. What the heck changed? The shimmer on it. I think I see some shimmer. Sorry, Mom. Use it all. Sorry, Mom. Okay, so this is the thing that I'm using. I don't know if you can see it good. That is it. I had to put my fingers in the thing that I'm putting it in. I don't know why, I just like to. This is not even doing anything. It did not even do anything. By the way, that thing was not even that expensive. It was like $2. What the heck changed? The shimmer? I don't see no freaking shimmer. God dang it. Oh, I see some color. I see some color. Oh, just forget it. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. This video was a fail mostly. Like, what the heck happened to my carpet? This video was a fail. Thanks for watching, guys. Love y'all. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Well, I'll try to go fishing after this, but bye-bye.